Late-stage cancer patients currently have a really poor prognosis. 10 to 15% of lung cancer patients, for example, will survive for 5 years. If you can bring that diagnosis forward, 65% of stage 1 and 2 cancer patients will survive for 5 years. Tagomics is tackling the challenge of really bringing the diagnosis of cancer forwards. And so the disease becomes easier to treat, clinicians have more options for treating those patients, and the outcomes for patients tend to be better. My research group developed a platform technology that we understood to be a really neat tool for scientists for doing a new kind of research that would help understand cell biology and disease biology. Jack, who's the CEO at Tagomics now, and I did the iCure program together. And the market research that came out of the iCure program really showed us that there was a huge potential for the technology we developed. And it was from that process that we decided spin out was the route that we needed to take. We're working with partners in the biotech and the pharmaceutical industry, and what we deliver for them is information and a more streamlined process. With Agilent, we've developed a new workflow that takes one of their successful products, pairs it with our technology, and will deliver a research tool for scientists that gives them more information for the same experiment. And then we have examples now where we're working with diagnostic companies and pharma on doing similar things and just empowering them and enabling their diagnostic and drug development. I think the thing that Tagomics has uniquely allowed me to do as an academic is really to have the opportunity to put technology developed in my lab in the hands of a clinician, to get it to patients and to see real tangible link between the thing I developed and the impact it has in the real world. The company and the investors have afforded us the funding and the opportunity to turn that lab-based experiment into something that can be delivered like routinely 100% of the time in a way that is safe for patients at the end of the day. So that's been really exciting.